Hello everybody, my name is Joe Duggan. I am here with Tom and Nick Collora. We are in the Schnucks kitchen and we are going to cook up some fresh made Schnucks Culinaria pastas and using Culinaria pasta sauce.
I'm the younger brother of Tom, I'll just have you know that. So I'm only in my I'm only getting ready to start my 28th year. But a little bit of history about our family with Schnuck Markets. My father retired 6 years ago, so we are in our 6th decade right now. He retired with 45 years in, so we got a little bit over 50 years. We're in our 6th decade as a family, and we've had about 25 to 30-ish immediate and extended family that have worked for Schnucks at one time or another.
I'll go ahead and open this up. We'll start with the spaghetti today.
A little background, Tom and Nick were born and raised on the hill, on St. Louis's Hill.
My children are actually 5th generation of our family to be raised in the house that I actually live in right now, that I purchased, my wife and I purchased from our father. So there's a long history. The house was built in 1902. It's a 3-story Victorian home, almost totally restored, but a pretty neat thing to have everybody back for the holiday seasons in that home that we all grew up in.
Joe, if you don't mind, I'm going to go ahead and open up some of this great 3-cheese pasta, the raviolis. I'm going to put it in this pot up here.
We got timers going, Tom, we're good to go.
All the cooking directions and ingredients are here on the back of the label so that there's no confusion. We ask that you cook it anywhere between 3 and 5 minutes because it is a fresh pasta. Somewhere in the middle will be a little more al dente, so if you like it a little more firm, or if you're going to take it and you're going to have a real hot sauce on it that's going to continue the cooking process, please pull it off just a little bit early so that the cooking can continue when you add your warm sauce to it. I would tell you it's a great product. Enjoy eating it ourselves. It's as close as we found to what we were eating when we were growing up, that Grandma would make us on all our holidays. So I'm excited for you guys to see the product when it's finished here.
One other side note to add to that, so Tom took the liberty to go ahead and add a little bit of salt to the water, and by doing that, what you do is you decrease the risk of the noodles to actually stick together. That's one of our family traits that we grew up with, but you know, some people also do, I think from the Irish descent, I think you all do sometimes add a little bit of olive oil to the water as well. Just a splash, so that way we don't have the stickiness of the noodles.
Spaghetti, we're going to do a little vodka sauce. That's one of our own brand Culinaria items as well.
And for all of you at home, just so you can kind of recognize, when he plated up this specialty, he went ahead and just drizzled a little bit of sauce in the middle. As soon as I married my wife, Natalie, she used to yell at me all the time because I would smother the noodles in sauce. And it's all about the presentation when you get this. It's all about, it has to look appetizing and good to put in your mouth. So Tom, you did a great job.
Hey, thanks, I appreciate that, Nick. And on the ravioli, we got our Culinaria brand 4-cheese pasta sauce, which is another one of our specialties. That was really good.
Excellent.
That was really good.
Excellent.
Thank you. And the ravioli. Tell me that's not good.
Fantastic.
Reminds you of home, doesn't it?
Totally phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
Love it.
So, thanks to everybody for stopping by and sharing this time with us. We hope you enjoyed, and we will see you on the next show. Have a good day.
Bon appetit.